YouTube. Today is Wednesday. I think it's November 4th. It is November 4th. I took off early. I'm going to be riding all day. I'm going to go up to our property in Caddo Mills. But I was back there. I left early. It was like not even 50 degrees yet. And my legs got really cold, so I don't have anything on my legs. But it's better now. But I was back there on this highway, but it was two lanes going each way, and the sun was more here, so it was, and I didn't even see this deer. It just darted out, and I saw it right when it was in front of me. It was like 5 feet in front of me. And it ran fast, and I'm thinking, oh my Lord, that would have ruined my day. I didn't even see it coming from the side. It was just boom right there. And I was going 65 too. Who would have thought the deer would be running out on a 4-lane highway? That's kind of weird. And so now I'm watching. The sun's up a little higher now, so I can see a little bit better. I don't get that glare right in my right eye, and it showed up right in front of me. That would have really stunk. I know I have to be careful in the evenings. That's why I left early, so I don't have to come home. Oh, I'd like to get home before it got dark, but probably won't. But anyway, beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day on the Goldwing. Got an extra 2.5 gallons of gas in the trunk because I don't trust this gas gauge at all. I've ran out of gas at 1/4 of a tank before, and I can't trust the mileage because it goes up and down depending on weather. It's no wind today, so I should get pretty good mileage. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. I don't usually get on interstates, but I get on from 45 from Richland to Ennis, and it's nothing at all. There's a couple trucks here and there. Here comes one now, but the traffic is never bad here. It's like Interstate 35 is like a death trap. I would never even ride that on a motorcycle, but this Interstate 45 is great. I mean, I could ride for several miles and not even a car pass me, like, you know, just a truck every now and then. But 35 is like a major thoroughway from Dallas to Austin, and it's just like bumper to bumper trucks, bumper to bumper cars. This is nice. This is a comfortable ride. Bye. They're building that house next to me too. They got the framework up. Oh boy, they're making mud on this road. Yeah, doesn't look like anything different where I'm at. We'll go check it out though. Oh, I'll raise my shield up. This is mine right here. I think I walked through here about 3 weeks ago. Nothing different. I'll go check it out. Look at there though, my neighbor's getting built. See that pink stake? That's my yard going all the way back, so he doesn't have much, so I got this goes all the way back. Looks like they got a stake. Or they got these like maybe where the corner of the house will go. Wow, way over there too. And back here. I gotta map out. I'll have to FaceTime my wife and map out where we're gonna build a circle driveway right through here. I guess they did. My son said they cleaned a little bit more of it out. I don't see it. So here's the other edge of the house. It's going to be huge. Right there, way down there. Wow, that can't be the house. I don't know what that's gonna be, but that's huge. I'm gonna go get the other GoPro. I got another GoPro with a gimbal, and it's be really smooth. Oh, better go get my phone too. Property goes way back there. I'll get the other GoPro and walk back there. Looks like they burnt some stuff, even a tire. Looks like they had some rain up here because it's wet. It's wet. There's the other corner. Now my shop is gonna be here too. Oops, almost tripped over a vine. Oh, here's a stake here. I don't know what this is. So my shop is gonna be right next to the house. I wonder if it's going to be right here. So we're going to be that close to the... It's supposed to be 140 feet from the road. I'm going to go get the other GoPro. Oh, I wonder if I even turned it on. Probably didn't even turn it on. Wow, this guy's he just started building that shop, and that's going to be nice. I've been through that home. That was really pretty too. See, look at those nice shops. That's fantastic. I love it. That's what I'm only going to have one door though, but they can't have them more than 1,200 square feet. So some of them look bigger. I wonder if that's the one with the apartment in the back. Anyway, I gotta head home since it's already 2 o'clock, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get home by 7. I have to stop and bundle up again once the sun starts going down. There's a home up here that has really nice brickwork, and I love the stone and the brick right here. That's got the shop too. I like this one. I don't like that kind of stone. I like the limestone like that, but I want mine stacked. See, that one's got real pretty brickwork around the windows. I like that. That's what I want to do. We're going to have one very similar to that. That's the kind of brickwork I want. Bye.